this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer pictures from your Android phone to your PC. And this is pretty easy. So what we want to do is connect our phone to our PC. And you can see down here I have my computer tower. And I have this cable running from it. And I simply want to connect this to my phone. So if you're having problems, you got to make sure you have file transfer turned on. So nothing pops up on my phone. So you might have a permission, just go to allow, but go to the top left and swipe down. Go to where it says charging this device, tap this twice. Now you need to go to where it says file transfer. If you don't go to file transfer, nothing's going to pop up on your computer. So you can see other options on here like webcam. Now that I have selected file transfer, I can go back to my computer. And there's two different ways we can transfer this. There could be more depending on what software you have. But we can go down to File Explorer right here and right click on this, go to File Explorer. This is the way I prefer to do it because it's a little bit quicker. And then on the left we'll scroll on down to this PC. Go to Pixel 7 or wherever you're using. Choose this, internal storage. Now find your camera. So your camera app is going to take pictures in the DCIM folder, camera. And we can populate this. You can see all the pictures in here. Wonderful. So you can just highlight them now and you can copy them over to a folder on the left here. So let's get a picture somewhere. Now you can have other pictures in the picture folder. It could be like Messenger saves or your screenshots or a photo editor somewhere. Or your downloads. It could be in here. So just find it somewhere. It's probably not going to be in, oh, here's my movies. I don't know what this is. But you can look in other folders too. So let's go to pictures right here. See if there's anything in Messenger I want. Okay, so here's a picture of me, so I can copy these two over. So if I want to delete it from here and keep it on my PC, I can go to cut. If I want to copy and leave a copy on my phone and a copy on my PC, go to copy. I'm going to go to cut. And then on the left here, I'm going to find a location I want to save it to. So typically I just save it to pictures. So if I go to home, expand that, your account should have a pictures folder specifically. And I got some other pictures in here. You can make a folder too if you want. Right click and go to paste. Looks like I already have a copy in here, so I can say don't copy, or I can copy and replace. There we go. So now I have these pictures on here. Now the other way to transfer them is if you go to search and go to photos. And open up the photo gallery app. And this is just going to find photos on your PC. I got like 1,800 pictures from my phone for some reason. A lot of these I think are like screenshots that I take. So if you press print, scan, system require on your keyboard, it's going to save that on here. But let's go to import, go to my Pixel 7, and it's going to populate all these. Now if it's taking too long, you can just go to cancel on the bottom if you have a lot of pictures and if you see the picture you want. So here's a picture I want right here, just select it. You can go to select all too if you want, and then we can go to add items and find a location on your PC. So I'm just going to go to pictures, import. I can close this down now, and I can go back over to my file. So let's go to my File Explorer. It should be in that pictures folder I had before. Okay, and here it is. I think this one. Just me holding a phone. So, very easy to do. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.